Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we have a pendulum that swings back and forth, left to right and back again, and it takes it a total of 3.2 seconds, and we're being asked to find what the length of. For this, we're going to use the equation period equals 2 pi times the square root of length divided by gravity. And rearranging this to solve for length, we have length equals gravity times period squared divided by 4 pi squared. Substituting in our values, we have length equals 9.8 times 3.20 squared divided by 4 pi squared, and we get that the length of this pendulum equals 2.54 meters.